Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very useful appliance. I have bought this very recently. This is the Wonderchef Manual Chopper. So I'll just be showing you how it works. Basically I am trying to show you different type of vegetables and how I use the chopper to chop these vegetables into the size I need to use for my recipes. Okay, so let's get started. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the like button. I will be happy to have you in our family. So the first vegetable I have taken is onion. You can cut the onion into bigger pieces and then I will show you how you can chop it into the size you need. Okay, so let's start. See, I have started chopping the onions. This is the size now I have got. As I go on chopping further, we will get very fine chopped onions, absolutely finely chopped onions, which we need for our recipes. So go on chopping it as small as you want the pieces to be. If you want to keep it a little bit bigger, you can chop the onion little less. If you want really fine small onion pieces, go on chopping till the desired piece size or the result you want. Okay. The second one I have taken is cabbage. We use cabbage for many types of vegetables that we make. Here I am going to show you how we can take pieces of cabbage and really make it into very small chopped pieces of cabbage. You can use this for your salad. You can use this to make any cabbage curry, dry cabbage curry, anything that you want in your recipe. But this is really helpful in just in a fraction of a second we can get finely I mean chopped cabbage pieces, and it will really help us to make the recipes that we want to make a lot more faster. Okay, so let's see how this chopper helps us to finely chop our cabbage and make it into really small chopped fine cabbage. Let's see. Also taken some tomatoes. Basically when we put the tomatoes into the chopper, we can really get like tomato puree type of a consistency. Okay, so if you need anything to put in your curry or any of your other recipes, if you need tomato which will be more like a puree, then you can use this. See, I have used this type of tomato in tomatoes in lot of my curries, and it really helps. We will just get like finely chopped tomatoes, or we can say tomato, what will I say, blended tomato type consistency, pure tomato type of a consistency. And this can be used in a lot of your curries and gravies, or any of your other recipes. So I found it really beneficial. And of course we all know how to use choppers, but then this one is like I have just shown how to use it for different type of consistency or the cuts that we want. I have tried to cover as many as vegetables as I can, which we use regularly. I hope this video will be of little help to you, and definitely you will try out in case you haven't already. And also I have tried and shown uh, chilies also. Mince, it has become like minced chilies, as you can see. So definitely this chopper helps us a lot in our day-to-day work, makes our life a lot more easier, and helps in our cooking. Hope you will all agree.